Welcome to PrimePic's Lab. The best HomeKit fan is probably one of the most convenient upgrades you can make to your smart home setup. Imagine effortlessly adjusting your fan speed, setting timers, and creating automated schedules, all from your iPhone or iPad. This level of control not only enhances comfort but also contributes to energy efficiency, making your living space smarter and more responsive to your needs. Let's dive in and explore how to bring this seamless experience into your home. Number 5. TREATLIFE Smart Ceiling Fan Control. This smart fan switch from TREATLIFE lets you control your ceiling fan with ease. It requires a neutral wire and works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google Home. Setting up is simple, but remember, it's not compatible with fans that already have remotes or DC motors. Make sure to connect within 3 minutes of setup. With Alexa or Google Home, you can control the fan with your voice. Just say the command, and it will adjust the speed for you. It's very convenient. Use the app to control the fan remotely or set schedules. You can turn it on before you get home or set it to turn off automatically. You can also adjust the LED indicator. This product is FCC certified for safety. TREATLIFE is committed to providing smart home solutions. Contact us immediately if you have any issues, and we will help you. What we like. This smart switch offers hands-free control with voice commands, perfect for when you're busy. It also allows you to set schedules, ensuring your comfort is always prioritized. If you're looking for a convenient and automated way to manage your fan, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install and set up with HomeKit. The fan control works perfectly with my existing fan. Integration with HomeKit is seamless, and the responsiveness is excellent. Number 4. QIACHIP Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan Light Remote Control Kit. This kit upgrades your existing ceiling fan to a smart one. It allows you to control the fan and lights remotely, making your home more convenient. With the included remote, you can turn the fan and lights on or off from anywhere in your home. You can also adjust the fan speed with ease. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, this kit lets you control the fan with your voice. You can also set timers for automated operation. The installation is straightforward with color-coded wires. The kit is designed for easy setup, so you can start enjoying the smart features quickly. Use the mobile app for complete control. The app provides real-time device status, and allows you to share control with your family. Please check the receiver size and capacitor compatibility before purchase. Ensure the specifications match your fan for optimal performance. What we like. This kit upgrades your existing fan with smart features, offering remote control from anywhere. It's designed for easy installation, with color-coded wires and clear instructions. If you want to modernize your fan without replacing it, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Installation was quick and easy. I have installed a few remotes in home ceiling fans before. This was a first for a smart ceiling fan controller. It's exactly the same for installation. Integration with Alexa was simple, and now we can turn the lights and fan on off and set the fan speed with our voice. The remote has worked. Number 3. TREATLIFE Smart Ceiling Fan Control 2-Pack. This smart switch requires a neutral wire and supports Bluetooth for easy setup. It's designed for fans without built-in remotes or DC motors. This allows you to control the fan with ease. Enjoy hands-free control. When your hands are full, just use voice commands like Alexa, set the fan to 4. It's perfect for everyone in the family. Control the fan from anywhere using the app. Set timers and schedules so it turns on and off automatically. This is convenient for your daily life. This smart switch offers a modern look compared to traditional controls. You can even customize the LED indicator's behavior through the app. It's a smart choice. It's FCC certified for safety. We are committed to providing smart home solutions. Contact us immediately if you have any issues. We're here to help. What we like. With voice control, you can easily adjust the fan speed. You can also set schedules for automated operation. If you like a modern look and convenient control, this switch is a perfect fit. What people say. The fan control works perfectly with HomeKit. The installation was straightforward. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. Smart Wi-Fi Fan Switch Remote Control Kit. Tired of the old pull chains? This smart fan switch lets you control your ceiling fan and light from anywhere. It's easy to install and works with your smartphone or the included remote. This kit adds smart features to your existing ceiling fan. You can change the fan speed or turn the light on and off with your phone or the RF remote. Batteries are not included for the remote. Pair it with the TREATLIFE app and enjoy hands-free control. Just use your voice to control your fan and light. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This universal remote works with most ceiling fans. It controls the light and fan speed. It works with brands like Hunter, Harbor Breeze, and Westinghouse. Install it over your pull chain or wall switch. Make sure there's enough space in your fan's canopy for the receiver. Remember to set your fan to max speed before use. You can share control with your family. Also, you can set schedules to automatically turn the fan and light on or off. It offers convenience and flexibility. What we like. This universal kit adds smart functionality to your existing fan, allowing control from your smartphone. It's compatible with many popular brands and offers easy installation. If you have a ceiling fan and want to add smart features, this is a great option. What people say. The fan control works perfectly with HomeKit. Installation was straightforward. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. Universal Smart Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Tired of fumbling with the fan chain? This smart remote kit lets you control your ceiling fan and light with your voice or phone. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the TREATLIFE app. This kit works with dimmable LED, CFL, and incandescent bulbs. You can easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience in your room. Use voice commands to control the fan and light. The TREATLIFE app allows you to manage everything from your smartphone, anytime, anywhere. Make sure to connect to a 2.4G network. The receiver is designed for easy installation and fits most ceiling fan covers, including Hampton Bay and Harbor Breeze fans. It's a simple upgrade for your existing fan. This remote control kit is a direct replacement for many popular fan brands, such as Hunter and Westinghouse. It offers all the features you need in a compact design. Control the fan and light separately with dedicated buttons. You can also adjust the fan speed with 3 different settings. It offers complete control at your fingertips. What we like. This smart kit offers dimmable light control, allowing you to adjust the brightness of your lights. It also supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. If you want to customize your lighting and fan speed, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Installation was simple. Pairing with the TREATLIFE app was simple. The smart fan controller works as advertised, but the installation instructions are missing some important steps. Setup was mostly fine, aside from trying to wedge the compact receiver into the ceiling fan's control box, which was a tight squeeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.